You have always been able to create new data and information in Revit models using Ideate BIMLink. Now you'll be able to create new materials in your Revit projects too. Ideate BIMLink now includes a new link definition, material create new. This link shows all the materials that are currently in the project. By adding to this, you can create new materials. You can either create the new materials from scratch or copy and paste data from another project. In this example, I'm creating the materials from scratch. By copying and pasting the data from an existing source, in this example an Excel file, I can quickly create the new materials in my Revit project. After importing the Excel back into Revit, you can see that the new materials have been added to the project.